Elon Musk, why you should stick to your crypto strategy, especially now. Crypto facts number 16. It is a must that investors should jot down a firm and clear plan before investing. This is because this financial crypto market is too volatile and unpredictable. All investors indeed take risks intending to fetch gains. Fear is certain about suffering from losses, but this is how the crypto market works. Hi investors. Here at Crypto Facts, obtain the complete information that will aid you to understand the market and what needs to be done in the process of investment of altcoins as marketed by the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk. To know more about the market, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to get further updates. We have observed that Elon Musk's influence on cryptocurrency is extensive, and his single tweet can change the entire game. Analysts also believe that Musk's tweet can act as a catalyst in the crypto market. Like Musk, investors must be committed to the crypto journey and consider technology and its applications two vital and potential elements. Tesla has contributed a lot to the world of cryptocurrency, and it continues to do the same. After Elon Musk announces his strategies, the price of the respective cryptocurrency goes up. There have been times when he had disappointed many investors with his tweets that seemed to question the effect of the asset's environment. For instance, the high energy consumption of Bitcoin in the mining process. This resulted in Bitcoin falling nearly $30,000. He then showed his support to help the miners in making their processes greener. Then, once again, Bitcoin climbed 19% to trade at $39,944 from $30,000. As financial experts, we always advise investors to keep a track of the price cycle of any asset based on accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. Then only investors can predict whether the investment in crypto coins would be fruitful or not in the long run. This kind of a strategy is a must, and so you should be regular at understanding the market. One should make a complete strategy and you would realize why. Consider one of the instances. Towards the end of 2020, the crypto market picked up and went through the accumulation phase. In this phase, many investors entered the market. Then, in mid-February 2021, the currency market up and settled at an ATH, that is, an all-time high of $60,000, whereas RSI indicator showed that the asset was overbought. Gradually facing a markdown led to the advent of the distribution phase. There have been many controversies because of the series of tweets by Elon Musk. There are many things told by people like, for the first time, Tesla's $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin resulted in trading at over $50,000. Also, tech expert Alex Barredo said that Tesla may have already earned $600 million on the investment. Founder Elon Musk's Twitter endorsement of Bitcoin has resulted in allegations of criminal behavior. Many investors have started hating misleading tweets by Musk. Investors must take several historical prices of crypto coins they are planning to invest in, make a strategy, and then stick to the strategy. Sometimes many geopolitical factors affect the market suddenly that becomes shocking. At this time, you might have to change a few points of your strategy. But be cautious while doing so and make an investment. Many times, environmental impact plays a role in severely affecting the sentiments of the investors. Elon Musk's tweets do the same and impact investors' sentiments. But you need to be wise and plan also. Don't let your sentiments get swayed by tweets. Too much instability isn't a new phenomenon. However, it is an inborn feature of this new asset class. Intense growth in the value of cryptocurrencies enables volatility. One person's tweets should not let the rise and fall of a global asset, and it is assumed that the long-term outlook of cryptocurrencies remains bullish. Manipulation is the key to shake the market, and many investors get enraged at Elon Musk and started tweeting or not worshiping him and his tweets. Because of Musk, Dogecoin gained popularity. He then continued to become vocal on Twitter. The Tesla company claimed that it would purchase $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and then said that for its electric cars, it would accept the virtual cryptocurrency as payment. However, after a month, Musk questioned the extensive use of electricity produced from coal, and this resulted in Bitcoin's price going down as explained earlier. The chronology of tweets by Musk affected the crypto market and thus the hearts of the investors who blindly followed his tweets, changed their strategy, invested with optimism, and suffered huge losses. One should, therefore, not change their mind as per the tweets. Be committed to your strategies. There have been tweets of people like, "I've lost everything because of your crypto tweets, and today I live under a bridge." Isn't that depressing? Tesla's strategy seems to be all about policy and not price, and therefore it had also announced that it would soon accept the form of payment to be cryptocurrency. The company also considered the risk of the decision in their filing, consisting of volatility and regulatory uncertainty. Yes, this is the game with a foolproof plan, and we as investors are the victims of its subjugates. An exact game of market manipulation is, you want to know? First, take an individual position in Bitcoin, then pump the price up. Later, announce that Tesla has invested. Let's see how Tesla and the environment are related to each other. Tesla promotes electric cars and not fossil fuels, and also, it is involved in the US renewable credit market. It aims to capitalize on the Biden administration's zero-emission targets. It has an application for power generation and renewable credits tied to electricity from biogas. Buying money is a huge business, and high-profile people can use many tricks in this business. Tweets from celebrities, CEOs, make a huge impact on investors, especially the new investors who take risks without the guidance of financial experts. They follow these high-profile people blindly and experience investment losses. This results in them getting discouraged to step into the crypto market. So, to all the investors, we advise you to be practical and consider all factors before investing. Musk still played with people, endorsed Dogecoin, announcing that it was his new favorite cryptocurrency that started as a meme. He made it popular with his multiple tweets on it and named it as the people's crypto. This resulted in personalization, increasing the currency, which traded at 59% higher in the short term. This was not it. He then shared in his tweets that he had bought some Dogecoin for his son. People are confused with Musk's strategy, and what will he do next to manipulate investors? Are these tricks for marketing Tesla? Or is it to promote green energy, which can benefit Tesla and Solar City business? So, what do you think about your investment ideas? Should there be a strategy for investing cryptocurrencies in the market? Let us know in the comment section below. If you've liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking for real and smart cryptocurrency updates.